So here's my North Face Dolomite 3-in-1 sleeping bag. I absolutely love this thing. I love the fact that this all fits in one small bag. So they are all rated for the specific temperatures. They had the long levers here for the zippers on both sides. And me and my wife typically sleep in the same sleeping bag for when we go camping, and we both fit in there absolutely amazingly fine. I'm 6'5", she's 5'10", and we both fit in there super cozy and comfortable. So here's the different ratings for the orange one. As you can see here, it tells you the different temperature ratings. So the night before we go camping, we typically just check the weather, see what the lowest temperature is going to be, and then just plan according and use which one we're going to need for that specific night. But overall, we're very pleased with this. This was such an amazing purchase off of Amazon. And I like the fact that they're very easy to wash as well. Highly recommend this North Face brand off of Amazon.